As you can see, WGB Home Care back with another video. Got a little camera distance. I'm using the iPad today. We in the house right now. We about to demo some ductwork in the system, air handler. And right now we about to start with my Milwaukee light. See, we got the headlamp on, light up, different modes. Flip out. See, there's no lights in the house, no power's on. So, got a headlamp for number one. We turn that back on at the highest mode. Alright. You see, I got the Milwaukee M18 Rocket 2 power light. You can see right there. So what we're gonna go ahead and show you is how you can light up a house. You dig? When there's no power in the house. So it's my first time opening a box, so I decided to open it with y'all. While I'm doing work. So this is what I bought it for, to light up the house, So let's light it up. It's like the 4th of July. Shout out to Milwaukee. I'm a big fan of Milwaukee. I'll show you, I got the Milwaukee tools over here. VO bag. HVAC tools. For you other trades out there, shout out to the plumbers, electricians, carpenters. Slide out the box like this. Voila, magic. Classic. I went on YouTube and watched a couple videos before I bought it, so see what it does. It's quite impressive. You can see all different stand-up moves and how tall it goes up to. Goes up to 4 feet 7 inches. That's cool. I can deal with 4 feet 7 inches. That's why I'm working high. Need something high. Need to go high, light it up. There we go. Boom. You can charge it. Got a USB on, set the phone on. I'll show everything. So I remember from the video how it works is, or I can just look at the directions. Again, shout out to Milwaukee, big Milwaukee fan. Directions, owner's manual. Safety first. Head extended, elbow extension latches, switch up handle, leg release. Leg release button, legs carry handle, battery bay, AC inlet. So this right here takes a charger and it takes a plug. GFI, you can plug it up and charge and everything. Has a USB on there. Extension cord. I'm gonna get this in my warranty. Simple. Charger. Insert, remove battery pack, insert an extension cord, warning. Extend, collapse in the legs. Stand light upright, press the leg release button and slide the legs down using the carry handle. Lift up the upper handle while sliding down the carry handle. Press the leg release button and slide the legs down using carry handle. Leg release button. Okay, lift upper start sliding down the carrying handle. Lift this handle up. Alright, so this is the head, extension pole, extension latches, switch, uppercase handle, right here, uppercase handle, we got head, extension pole, extension latches right here. Got the switch right here, upper handle, leg, release button right here. Alright, tool says that lift up the handle while sliding the carrying handle. Carrying handle is number 8. Alright, lift the battery. Lift until the battery bay lifts off the floor and the legs lock into place. To collapse, press leg, release button and slide and the legs using the carrier handle. Keep hands clear of legs and they collapsing. Alright, so keep your hands out of the way when you're doing because you can get caught up in there. Extension collapsing. Extend the lock legs, open the extension latch, raise the head. So this is one latch, lock that, other latch right here, lock that. All right, so here's your Rocket 18. This is where the battery goes at. Let's try it out. So this is where the battery goes at right here, and this is where the plug goes at. Let me step back. So you plug it right here. Hit the top, hit this up right here. Or you can put the charger like so right here. So we're gonna slide up like that, like this right here, slide. Boom. I got fully charged on that from earlier. So right here, you got the turn the button right here. Boom. Bye y'all, got light. You heard? That's one click. I'm gonna let it back down a little bit. Bring it a little bit further out. But like I said, no lights in the house, you watch. let's go through the clips first. One clip, so that was the highest clip, low, down. All right, let me turn my light out. All right, no lights on in the house. All right, let's start with the M18. Boom. Let me light it up. If I ain't had my rope lamp, my headlamp, well, it was dead. Now this right here is 4 hours, 2,500 lumens. The other one, radius lamp, that's for 4,500 lumens. It's brighter, but it's on 2 hours, so I go with the length of hours. Enough light I can see. You know what I'm saying? You put it anywhere, carry it over here. Over here is no light. You don't light it up. There you have it. Rocking M18. Let it have a little bit more. The head adjusted goes up and down as I see now. So that you can adjust it. Light up this way. You know, turn it how you want it. Twist the head. Turn it. Unlatch both of the latches. Oh, well, you can't turn it. Okay. Oh yeah. And there you go. Turn it like this. And set it wherever you want. And that's about it right there. I mean, $200, $230, Home Depot. Like I said, you can't work without no light, right? Turn my light off. Take my light off. Kind of blinded by these lights right now. As you can see, I got my Milwaukee chargeable. Everything red and black. All right, so M18 rocket. I'm gonna light up over here. Turn my light back on. All right. I'm gonna show you how I got my setup. So as you can see, we got the Vito bag, HVAC Vito bag. All-purpose bag. For all HVAC purposes. Everything in the bag. 43 pockets. My tags are going here. It's 47, 39 pockets, you know, as you can see. So got my tag on, I left it on there, that's why it's all whipped up. Well, when it comes to bags, the best bag in the game, you gotta protect these tools just the bottom. You got a hard bottom, certain mud, water, rain, whatever. All these pockets, zippers, everything. Magnet inside, stick magnet and stuff. Magnets, that's the inside pockets, everything you need. HVAC pockets for HVAC tools like these, tongs. Cutters, skids, Midwest, one of the best. Sheet metal. Put your hammers on both sides. So I got sheet metal hammer. My other hammer over there, but keep every hammer on both sides. Over there, I was knocking out some wood. Over here, I'll keep it on deck, man. Everything red and black. When it comes in 2 bags, it's always Vito, baby. Shout out to Vito. Love Vito. Got 7 bags already. Yeah, all HVAC tools, man. Big dikes. Hold on, sorry about that. Yeah, big dikes. New nose. Wide strippers. 1-inch bit. Rebar. Got another 1-inch bit. Diablo. Busting through them walls. My babies right here. I don't want to break your arm. Cutting through all the slips, A little hang tray over here. HVAC tools, you know what I'm saying? The dikes, It's in my hands, look at my hands. PVC cutters. see the show, man. Everything red and black. I'm on the Milwaukee light. I go to work now. That's what I'm working on my demo this unit right here. Let me take this out right here. And all this done right here. Got to go. Up in this basement in Baltimore City. Roll. Yeah. You know, one thing I hate about when it comes to these houses, we all in this thing together. Carpenters, electricians, plumbers, HVAC. You heard? Man, one thing I want to say, man, don't think y'all the only one that's in the house when you in the house. You figure them? For example, I had to cut this daggone wood out the way because my man framing up doing this thing. I ain't got no problem. I ain't got no problem with nobody doing nothing, but don't impede me on what I'm doing. You heard? My man button up against my duct. I had to take it down. You know what I'm saying? It's all gravy. Small things to a giant. You know, I'm just saying, man. Y'all in these tradesmen. When we in these houses, we in these buildings, we ain't the only one. Think about the next man. Show some respect. I don't care what race, what creed, I don't care whatever you is, man. Show some respect, man. You feel me? Long story short, yeah, it's got to go right here. Taking this bad boy out. All that joint. Yeah. Got the saws off. Got a little box out, my pack out box, you know. Already shows off. I got it on. As you can see, Milwaukee. Little headlamp. Keep it right, keep it charged up, ready. These are all my tools, baby. Tools cost money, but let me tell you, you can't do no work without no tools, you know what I'm saying? And if you can't do no work, guess what? You can't get paid, you know what I'm saying? Somebody help me. This has been another video for WGB Home Care. I just want to come at y'all with a little bit of tools, a little bit of lights. Shit, a little bit something wild before I start working on them. Have a blessed evening out there.